Good morning to all of you. This is Ranjan from Smart Finance Chennai. And in this particular presentation, I am going to explain how our weekly Nifty and Bank Nifty trend forecast has worked. So this particular analysis we have given on 3rd of December 2021. And then we have a couple of days are gone, and you can see that how it has worked. So if you look into the Nifty levels, so Monday, so which was from the 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th and 10th. So we have given for 6th to 10th December. So 6th of December, Nifty had a gap down opening. So it was 17,200 plus it has opened. However, it has given a downtrend breakout and fallen till 16,955 level. So this is the level it has fallen. And then it has given a reversal on Tuesday. Monday it was hugely down. So Tuesday it has given a gap of opening. However, it has not crossed the 17,319. So yesterday's value, if you can see, yesterday Nifty has gone very close near to 17,319. However, slipped from there and 220 level, 17,220 level it has closed, and today it was a decisive gap of action, and now Nifty is consolidating in this band. So when we are recording this particular presentation, so Nifty is trading at 17,449, gone till 17,465 till 11 o'clock 8th December. So here, this is the hodl zone. So we have in our calculations, every cycle we have colored it up. So this is the hodl zone. So the hodl zone is still 475. If it gives a breakout above that, then you have all probability to touch 17,711. So this is the hodl zone today, and watch out for today's action. So you'll come to know, and we have today we are in Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. 2 more days are there. So 2 more days are there. So you can see first day it has closed very near to this. Second day Tuesday it has attempted to cross this buying entry level 17,319. Very close near to this it has come, and from here retraced and fallen down to 17,220 level. Today it is 17,465 high, and it is in between this level now, and growth cluster also is 451, so which is a potential resistance. Growth cluster is a potential resistance. So here you can say it is just struggling in that particular level, 51, 52, falling down couple of points, again rising couple of points. So it has to convincingly cross above 475 so that it can make a higher level. So wait for the price actions to take place. So you will get those levels. So this is for the Nifty, and same process also we have given for the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty, you can say it is trading at 37,242, 37,242 now. So 37,242. So it has crossed this level. 0.786 also crossover happened. 37,032 it has given a crossover. 242. So convincingly it is above 0.888 retracement. So 37,749 also is expected. 305 also it has come. So by day end we will come to know where it is landing. So Bank Nifty levels also here. So here now 36,959 is the potential support, because it has given a crossover above 37,032. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is over. Thursday and Friday, 2 more days are there. So convincingly, it has crossed all things, and it has given an excellent success for this week also. So if you wish to give a try to this particular product, one standard deviation software, it is available in 2 modes. monthly subscription mode and yearly subscription mode. Visit to our website smartfinancing.com, go to the product section, and here choose the appropriate product which is meeting to your requirement, and test it for a few months so you will know the success of this product. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.